The dark mode is awesome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn Snapchat to dark mode. Almost all of the apps that I use on a daily basis now have dark mode. I also prefer the dark option in a Snapchat setting for a long time. And today, after updates Snapchat to the latest version, I get a dark background theme for Snapchat messaging app, and I enjoy it so much easier on the eyes, and it definitely gives me so much more battery life. NOP, I can use Snapchat on my iPhone 12 Pro Max through the day without plugging it in. Do you want to get dark mode on the Snapchat app? Let's follow the easy step to get the Snapchat app in dark background. Before that, make sure you have the latest updated Snapchat app. For that, open App Store and check the Snapchat app version list. If any update available, please do an update first. Then let's go with my steps. Step 1, open up your Snapchat app. Step 2, then, click on your Snapchat profile pic. Tap Settings. Step 3, then scroll down to App Appearance and tap on that. Step 4, you'll be presented with one of 3 options. First is Match System. Second is Always Light. And last is Always Dark. I prefer to go with the first option, Match System. It means if you turn your phone into dark mode, then you get Snapchat system setting wise. In short, system change in dark mode, then Snapchat get dark background. And even change in light mode, then Snapchat get light background. It's simple. If you choose Always Light, then you open with light mode Snapchat app. In last, if you choose Always Dark, that means your Snapchat will stay alone, not synced with system mode. So the system will dark or light, but the Snapchat app will stay all time in dark mode. So choose an option that you would like to turn on from time to time. If any question, feel free to write down in the comment box. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.